You do not need an attorney to buy a house in Nevada. Hey everyone, Justin Gannon with Real Broker in Las Vegas, Nevada. And I'm creating this video because of some comments I received recently on one of my Instagram videos about an attorney and using an attorney in a real estate transaction and why they don't need a real estate agent to help them. And what I'm going to talk about is specifically about Nevada and the market I work in, which is Las Vegas. Now, here in Nevada, we are not an attorney state. So what does that mean? An attorney state is a state that requires an attorney to be involved in real estate transactions. So this could be an attorney like at the closing table reviewing all the documents. Other states actually encourage attorneys and real estate brokers. So you'll have a real estate agent find you the property and do all the legwork, but then you'll have your attorney take over for negotiations and finalizing paperwork and things like that. Nevada is not that way. Nevada only uses two parties. It's called three parties to a transaction, maybe four if you need a mortgage. Those parties are the listing agent, the buyer's agent, and the escrow company. And if you're getting a mortgage, then the lender. So that's it. And our transactions are very simple here. The question and the problem with why some people realize or think that you need an attorney is because of the legal paperwork that's being done. Yes, real estate agents in Las Vegas and in Nevada do legal documents who help you purchase a home without a legal degree. And that is a question for a lot of people, especially those that are from out of state when they come here. But our transactions are they're not simple, but they have easy steps to follow that within 30 to 45 days, the property is yours. And that's why it's paramount that when you hire a real estate agent in the Las Vegas market, you are asking them specific questions like, do they actually understand what an offer looks like? What are the contingencies? How do you get a loan? Who should you talk to? What escrow company do you recommend? Because all these parties are very important to actually getting the deal done. I would say, obviously, the escrow company is the most important in anything because they're the ones that actually handle the documents. So if you are, looking for that person that legal side of things to take over a deal, like if you were buying a house and you didn't have an agent with you, you didn't have an attorney with you, who would you be looking to lean on? It'd be the escrow company that's in the middle of this whole thing, as they're supposed to be a third party privy to everything in the deal. They handle all the paperwork, they handle the money, they make sure everything legally gets done. In real estate, we have documents that you would sign that are just specific to our brokerage and also things that are legal, but that the escrow company might not actually need. This includes our duties owed form. A duties owed form is the document that says legally what I owe you as a real estate agent in Las Vegas and what I owe both parties in a transaction. There's a buyer brokerage agreement that says you're hiring me to handle your deal. There's inspection forms. There's the actual offer itself that has all the contingencies in it. And there's a lot of other documents that we go over and that we go over one by one. And before you sign them, my goal is to make sure you understand what you're signing. And that goes back to the original thing. How can I buy a house or sign legal documents if I don't have an attorney with me? And that's a great question for someone that doesn't live in Las Vegas. But that's just not how we do business here. Every state is different in how they do real estate transactions. And in Nevada, you do real estate transactions with realtors or by yourself if you choose not to use a realtor, and an escrow company, and a lender if you have a lender. I've done only one deal, where an attorney was involved, and all it was the offer got sent to the attorney to review, and maybe they changed one thing in the offer, and that was it. But other than that, I've never had attorneys had their hands in anything regarding a real estate purchase here. Again, I'm not talking about high luxury that might require that. This is regular, everyday, residential real estate purchases in Las Vegas market. So once again, is Las Vegas or Nevada an attorney state? No. Do you need a real estate attorney to buy a house in Nevada? No. Do most people not use a real estate attorney? Correct. They use realtors, escrow officers, and lenders, and that's it. So if you have any questions about this, let me know. I'm happy to dive into it further.